we're back with another video. And we have a guest.
Yep.
Alec.
Yep, Alec Bang.
And today we are gonna do a mukbang.
Yep.
So what we're eating is spicy noodles.
And
no better, bruh.
And these, I don't know what these called, but yeah.
Some mee goreng.
Some freaking mean goreng. These
Alright, wait, don't eat it yet, bro. Alright, this is the
They don't want no funny. Pick which one. This or that.
Alright.
And we got some chicken here. You know, chilling, vibes.
Alright, so now we're gonna eat.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, so satisfying.
So today we went to go do my older brother's gender reveal. Comment down below if you think if it was a boy or girl.
Because we already got it. Because we already know.
You guys know I don't need no water.
Alec?
Did I ask?
I didn't ask.
This thing is spicy.
I can
Fire
handle it.
noodles.
I can handle it, bro. It's easy.
Stop capping, boy. You're eating lingering noodles.
Come on, I'm eating everything, bro.
Chicken. Lingering noodles.
Look at that cops outside.
What? You need a paper or something?
I'll grab you guys papers.
You guys, I'm feeling it, guys.
I recommend these noodles.
Bye, guys. On Easter.
Here, Alec, your big ass napkin, and in here.
Not a Chinese store. An Asian market or whatever.
Yeah.
Why are you just watching us, Melissa? Like, bro, come on now.
You're so weird.
Look at that, though.
Damn, the spicy ramen.
We're doing no water challenge.
And no milk challenge. It's actually not that bad. It's actually my first time eating spicy noodles in a long time. The spicy noodles basically done.
I'm feeling it, guys.
Yeah, spicy food.
You don't really eat spicy noodles like that.
Why you put your fingers there? Sorry we didn't post last weekend because of the weather.
Who didn't post?
You don't know about our video. We didn't post, stupid.
You mean what?
Oh, this is done. Can't lie.
Are you guys actually gonna post this on YouTube?
Yeah, that's why I told you shut up.
You don't know how to edit.
Get out! Oh my fucking god, bro. You ruined the whole video. I'm done.
Gotcha, bitch!
There's a
No, you already ruined it. Yo, comment down below if you guys like this. So.
What?
Sheesh. I'm gonna be in the video more often.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
One out of 10. How spicy was the spicy noodles?
Not bad.
Fucking dumb?
Are you fucking dumb?
It was so 10.
10 was spicy? I said, how spicy was it?
1.
That's not. Be honest. 1 is not spicy. 10 is the spiciest. 5 is okay.
5 is okay.
Fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
Get us to 100 subscribers.
Then we can do this again.
So, like and subscribe. Push your notification on. And peace.
Drinking milk. He's drinking milk. It's hot for him.
Nah, it's not.
It's hot for him. It's hot for him.
Nah, I just drink milk because
Drinking milk.
it's